Okay, so I have a lot of people asking me what is the most simple way to make a wreath. Not as far as adding on flowers and decorations like this, but what is the easiest way to make a nice base for a wreath? They're like, well, I don't like cutting the mesh. I don't have the time to cut the mesh. Greenery, I don't like working with that. Burlap irritates my hands, you know, what have you. This is a really simple way to make a basic wreath base. This is a 14-inch wreath form from the Dollar Tree, and this is, ta-da, a steering wheel cover from the Dollar Tree. Okay, these come in all different kinds of designs, all different kinds of colors. You can get them at Walmart. Oh my gosh, I think Dollar General has them. Most stores have them. So what you do, this is very, very stretchy. And all that you're going to do is, you're just going to stretch it over your wreath form. Now this might take a little bit of work because sometimes, y'all know how stuff with the Dollar Tree is. It can be inconsistent. I've had some of these that just slip right on. Some have been a little snug. This one is one of the ones that's a little snug. Now you just take the inner ring here and just pull it down just a little bit so that it covers this inner ring here. I don't pull it too much because then it's going to pop off the back, okay? So just pull it on around until you get it to where you want it. And there you go. There is a plain wreath base for you to now decorate. Now on the back, I'm not going to do it in the video because I'm actually going to make a wreath video out of this to decorate it and everything. So I'm not going to glue it. But you see that now you have a little lip on the back. You can take just a little bit of hot glue, put just a tiny little dot so that it don't ooze through the front now. Put just a tiny little dot around and then press it down like this so that if your kids should mess with it or somebody should touch it or bump it or something, this isn't going to pop off. It really shouldn't come off. I've never had a problem with it coming off. I've only made a handful of these, you know, with the kids to give them something to do so that they feel like they're making wreaths. But just take a little spotted glue right here and just press it down and that will hold it in place. So just something really fast and easy that I wanted to run by everybody right quick. There you have it. If you would, even though this video was brief, please would you give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.